Brandkärrsvägen 118 in Brandkärr, Nyköping, Sweden, staircase A. L1411750 and the Europe modernization strength now. This building has many of these theaters, more than 10, but I don't have the time to film them. At least one. 61. It's 1972 it says here, but I would have found it another year of modernization.
Vill du gå själv? Nej, det är lugnt. Du kan gå själv. Poppers are 6% 500 kilograms. Expected occupancy without music maintained by noise. That's it.